So, welcome to EdPuzzle's website. So when you first type in edpuzzle.com, this is the website that it'll take you to. And if it's your first time here, you would just click Getting Started, and you would click I'm a teacher, and just type in all your information. Your students will get to create their own account with their school email, so they would just click I'm a student. So I already have an account, so I'm going to go right over here. So when you first log in, this is what your home screen will look like. It has a bunch of different content from people that have the same ending email as you, so mine was stockton.edu. So these are a bunch of different videos that people from Stockton have created before. So what you would want to do is you would want to go over to this little tab and click My Content. And you're going to go to Add Content. So you can either upload a video that you have saved in your computer, or you can create a new video from YouTube, TED Talk, Khan Academy, all sorts of different videos. So it just lists a bunch of different categories. So I'm going to search up 4th grade math and see what comes up. So here's just a bunch of different videos that have just come up on the internet after a random search of 4th grade math. So this one seems pretty short, so we're just going to click on this one. So here it will just come up, this is the creator of the video, and it's from YouTube. So if you want to edit it, you would go up here to these little buttons, and you would just click Edit. So once you've clicked Edit, there are a few different things that you can do. You can cut a video, so if it's too long, or if there's just a part in the middle that you don't like, you haven't gone over that part of the lesson yet, you can just cut that right out. So that's what you would do in this section. Then there's a voiceover option, so if you don't think they go into enough detail explaining, or they don't explain it quite in the same way that you explained it in class, you can just have your voice go right over the video, or you can even pause the video, have you talk, and then the video will continue right after that. The third option is questions, so you can add multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or even just a little note on the side. It'll stop the video for the student, and it'll pop up on their right, and they won't be able to move on until they've answered that question or hit OK for the note. So that's pretty much what EdPuzzle is. Once you're done, you would just click this Finish button right here. So I've already created this, so I'm just going to go back to my home screen and show you what it looks like as a final product. It would come up right here, and you would click these 3 dots, and you would just click Assign. And then you get to pick which class you would like to assign it to, or if there's certain students that are part of maybe a homework club or something, you can just pick them specifically and just assign it to them. And as soon as you hit this Assign button, all your students will get an email letting them know that there is an EdPuzzle waiting for them to be finished.